Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about attanlove.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and this website is offering various unclaimed Amazon packages and including courtyard art items, handmade boots, window hangings, decor items, or wine chimes, and interior art decor items, or few products as well. And guys, the prices of these offerings are pretty high, or you can say expensive. Now coming to the other details, let's move on to the payment details of this website. So here you can take a look that the modes of payment which are available on the site are PayPal, Amex, Visa, GPay, MasterCard, and many more. Now coming to the shipping policy of this website, you need to visit the shipping policy page. So guys, they have mentioned that the fast shipping duration will be 7 to 15 business days and standard shipping duration will take around 14 to 30 days. Whereas international expedited shipping is 3 to 10 business days. However, you can see they have mentioned grammatical errors in the content which is posted on in the shipping policy page. So this is a negative sign here, guys. Now talking about other information, let's talk about the domain age factor. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign in the aspect of legitimacy factor. But when it comes to the domain information of this particular site, the domain name was created on 14th of November 2020. So guys, the site is an old website, but we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age because we need to explore the company's information as well before making any decision. So taking a look on the About Us page, this is the About Us page. Here they have mentioned some information, but they have not mentioned the info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. Apart from that, improper About Us information is available in this page, including the offering information. They have provided copied information from other websites, guys, which is a negative sign. Now talking about the contact details, let's check out the contact us page of this particular site. So this is the contact us page, guys. You can see they have mentioned various they have mentioned only email address but not the official address and contact number, which is a negative sign. However, the email which is available on the site is matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign, guys. Now talking about the social media presence, the site does not exist on social media platforms including Facebook. Yes guys, you can see some social media icons are available on the website including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, but the site is not active on these social media platforms except Facebook only. And the site comes with 151 followers on Facebook, which is low, guys. So this statistics is very low, and less followers makes the site quite suspicious as well. Now coming to the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So here is the return policy page, and they have mentioned the return policy information as 14 days, guys. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And talking about attanlove.com reviews, we didn't found customer reviews about the site on the official website and on the internet as well, which is a negative sign, guys, because we know customer reviews plays a crucial role in defining a particular website's legitimacy. But here we are not able to find customer reviews more about this site on the official website as well. So this is again a negative sign, guys. And yes, apart from that, the trust index score of this website is too low, or you can say 1%, which is really very bad. Apart from that, the trust ranking of this site is 8.7 out of 100, which is one of the biggest drawbacks of this particular site. So guys, yes, we can say that In the final conclusion, we can conclude the content by saying this, that the website appears to be suspicious due to many loopholes, including low traffic 1%, trust level low, bad trust rank, new domain creation date, and high range of the products, and less social media activities, or you can say no social media existence on various other platforms except Facebook, and yes, negative customer response from other site as well. So these are the loopholes, guys, that define its suspiciousness. So we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a good day.